Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Heeral and today I'm going to share how to make everyone's favorite chocolate ice cream which is best for these hot summers. Let's get started. Here I've taken one pack of Amul fresh cream. This is 250 ml and it comes in a blue and white tetra pack like this. And I'm going to pour my fresh cream in a bowl. Make sure that the fresh cream is completely chilled. It should not be on room temperature, otherwise your texture of your ice cream would be spoiled. Now I'm going to keep it in a ice bath so that it remains cool only. Then to this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk powder to give a really nice taste. With 3 tablespoons of sugar, you can adjust the amount of sugar as per your taste. First I am adding 2 tablespoons and then 1 tablespoon more, total 3 tablespoons. With 5 to 6 drops of vanilla essence, you can also use chocolate essence in this. And I am going to whisk everything really well. Once you have mixed everything really well, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Here I am using unsweetened cocoa powder. This is Hershey's cocoa powder. You can use any brand you want. I'm going to mix everything really well. As you can see, I mixed my cocoa powder with the fresh cream. And here is my airtight container. I'm going to pour my ice cream in the airtight container. As you can see, it looks so creamy and frothy as well. I'm going to close it with the lid and let it refrigerate for at least 10 to 12 hours or for best result overnight. After 8 to 10 hours, open the lid and as you can see my ice cream is all set. Let's scoop this. I'm going to make some small kernels and it looks so creamy and just like the market style ice cream. As you can see, it's coming out so easily. To give my chocolate ice cream more chocolatey flavor, I'm going to drizzle some melted chocolate on my ice cream. If you want, you can also drizzle some chocolate sauce or chocolate syrup, but I'm going with melted chocolate today. And then I'm going to sprinkle some crushed Oreos. You can also sprinkle some chocolate chips or anything you want. It looks so mouth-watering, guys. Cannot wait to eat it. Try this recipe out in these hot summers and I know you will definitely going to love this. For more such ice cream recipes, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.